Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to set up and use a proxy in ScrapeStorm effectively. Let's get started. Install and launch ScrapeStorm. Create a new task by clicking the plus icon at the top of the screen. Define the task group, give it a name, and specify the resource you wish to work with. For example, I'll use the Google service, so I'll set google.com as the resource. Import the listed resources as needed. After adding all the resources, click Create at the bottom. You'll notice the group you created on the left and Google will open on the right. To set the proxy, right-click on the created group on the left and select Start. This will open the Settings menu where you can set the task schedule and perform other actions. Go to the IP Rotation and Delay tab. Activate IP Rotation. In the IP Type section, select Custom IP and click Set Up. A window will appear for configuring your proxies. Enter the IP and port of the proxy in the first field, following the example format. If you have a personal proxy, you can set your username and password in the respective fields. Close this window when done. Now choose the interval at which the proxy should rotate and click Start to begin the task. That's it. The proxy is now set, allowing you to work anonymously in ScrapeStorm. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.